Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I'll show you how to install the Prime Video application to your Android TV using the Aurora Store. This is easy. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So your Android TV, if you want to install the Prime Video application using Aurora Store, the first step is going over to the Aurora Store. Now, if you don't have Aurora Store on your Android TV, in the description of this video, I have added a guide or a link that is going to help you to install the Aurora Store on your Android TV. So after installing Aurora Store using the guide in the description of this video, just go ahead and launch it. Now we're looking for Prime Video apps. Once you launch it, these are the applications that you're going to see with different categories of application. There are two ways to get to this application. You can browse through using categories, or you can just go straight away to search for the application. So whatever option you choose, it is still going to work. Now, if I browse through to the entertainment category here, I'm going to see Prime Video, and here's it over here. Here's the application. So for me, what do I have to do? I just have to go over here and click on it once. As I click on it once, I'm going to get the installation button by just installing here, clicking install, and I can get the application to my Android TV. It is as simple as that. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.